Hi, my name is John. I'm here to tell you about a new sneaker I bought. It's from Puma. I waited long. I ordered from Amazon a way long time, 2 weeks for them. If you look, this is from Puma. That is Puma, like the Puma. This is size 13. Size 13. Surren 2. This is my official unboxing video for YouTube. Now to unboxing video. You want to join me? How about you? We sell surren 2. Do you want to see a sell surren 2? Okay. I present to you Puma. Sell surren 2. Oh no. These are not surren 2. These are ugly. No. I want surren 2. The Puma fuck up. Guys, what happened? Look at this. This is not surren 2. Hi, my name is John. I'm here